Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you're watching Neekage Khan. This is 33rd day of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the video that I made yesterday. And in that video, two of my very close friends showed up, and we had an awesome time there. But the editing part took me like 3 hours, 3 straight hours for all the editing and all the stuff. And eventually, I think I made the video that is produced is of a really good quality. So that's it. That's what last night was all about. So don't forget to watch my next video, because I'm gonna be uploading that video on YouTube, and I hope you guys will like it. So take care. Thanks for checking out this video. You can always follow me on Twitter and check out my Facebook page. So take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.